Hey y'all, welcome once again. Today we're going to be making some southern fried cabbage. So let's get into the video. Bacon, turkey bacon. So for this recipe you're going to need some smoked sausage, some beef broth, turkey bacon, and then you're going to need cabbage, carrots, green onions or scallion. Then we're going to need onion, that's a sweet onion, colored bell peppers. Then you need thyme, garlic, that's 2 cloves, ginger, and then you're going to need some butter as well. And we're going to need your garlic and onion powder, some red pepper flakes, black pepper and smoked paprika, and then some pimento seeds. We'll start to prepare our cabbage and then we'll do our meat, so we get that out the way first. So we're going to cut our cabbage in half as best as possible. I'm not doing. And then we're going to soak it in some, I think I'm just going to use this half. I'm going to soak it in some salt water. So whatever dirt or debris you get from the farm, it possibly come out, or if there's any worm left, then we'll get it out with this washing in some water. Let's open the big one. And then we're gonna cut this up and then do our carrots and stuff. So let's go wash this off. So now we're gonna clean our carrots while our cabbage kind of soak a little bit in the salt water. So you're just taking out the outer skin as usual. And then we're going to cut this portion off and this. And then we're going to wash them. There we have it. So we'll clean up the rest of the vegetable, wash, and come back. So now we're going to start to cut up our cabbage like so. You just cut them in pieces because you know they're going to shrink once they start to. So we're going to cut our carrots slant like so. You want them like this. So you just continue to do that for the length of your carrot. We're going to do our garlic the same way. So just cut them like so. And you can cut your bell peppers. You just do them longitudinally like that. And then just get your ginger in some small pieces. And then chop them up as best as possible so you don't get too much of these big pieces of such in your mouth when you're cooking. So just do this. Let them crumble like this. Just put that to the side. Then we're going to cut our onion. And I think we'll just do like so. And then just cut them in half like that. And another one, so that they're easier to cook. You just put that to the side as well. And then the last thing we have is our green onions, and we're just going to cut them slant as well. There you have it. So we'll get to preparing our meats. So then we're going to be just cutting up our turkey bacon, or whatever bacon you like to use. You can do it, just cut it up in small strips so it's easy to fry. So cut this a little smaller. And then you take that. Then we're going to take our beef sausages and cut them as slant as possible. And the bratwurst, we just do them slant like so as well. So I'm going to have high flame, and then I put a little bit of oil in there just to get my bacon going. And then you see the smoke coming, so you just add in your bacon. And then you just fry until brown. Stir occasionally. So now that it is golden brown, like so, you can smell the goodness in here from this bacon. You can remove it from the flame, and then we'll do the sausages. Now we add our sausages. So just flipping them over so we get the brown on both sides. So having this nice seared color that I have here. Once you get those nice seared color, then you remove them from the skillet. to see how much oil. I'll take out a little bit of this since I'm going to be using butter. So now we're going to be adding our seasonings. So we'll start with our scallion, garlic, onion, and then we'll just fry those in that fat from our sausage. Just a tad bit of salt, and then you're going to just stir this around like so, a medium flame. Let it steam for a minute. So now it has been steaming for about a minute or two to get that garlic to cook in and the flavors to come through. Then we're going to be adding our carrots. Like so. And then we're just going to cover those over with our onions. And then we're just going to go ahead now and add our cabbage, like so. Then we're going to be seasoning this now. So first we're going to add a piece of butter, garlic and onion powder, some black pepper. Let's open the big side here. This is about less than a quarter teaspoon. And then some smoked paprika. And then we're going to add pimento seed. Your thyme. And then you just cover and let it steam some, and then we'll stir later. So you're going to tip a little vinegar to keep down the smell of the cabbage. It's about a quarter teaspoon, and then you cover. So 5 minutes in, see the butter has melted. You just stir it around so you get everything incorporated some. And the seasonings to go on all your cabbage. And you cover back. So after about 10 minutes, you check again. It looks done. Just if you want your carrots softer, you can go ahead. I like the crunch. I like it for it to be too soft. So then we're going to add back our fried bacon, turkey bacon, and our sausage. We're going to give this a good stir to get them all over. And then we're going to be adding our colored bell peppers. So they do not become too soggy. We're going to leave this for about 3 minutes and then we're all done. So I'm sprinkling some green onions on top, and then a little spice, red peppers. There you have it. We thank you so much for watching. Remember to turn on that notification and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.